Hey vinyl fans, welcome back to another episode of Let's Clean a Record. This week we're not going to clean a record, but we've been wanting to upgrade our cleaning station. Both of them actually. The main studio where we do all the heavy cleaning, as well as the little space next to our turntables where we deal with cleaning the stylus and static and things of that nature. So you may have caught an episode a little while ago where we purged some of our CDs and we ended up with an extra CD tower in one of those IKEA towers. And we thought we would repurpose it, put it into the studio. It makes a great tower for small bottles, lots of little shelves. So we're going to do that for you. And also we installed a shadow shelf right next to the turntable. We used to have a little metal table back there, but the shadow shelf turned out really nice. Nice piece of wood. I think we got that from the Ukraine, didn't we? Came all the way from Ukraine.
Etsy.
Through Etsy. But it turned out really nice, and we'll keep all the stylus cleaners and that sort of accoutrement next to the turntable. So join us while we upgrade our cleaning studios. Okay, the new shelf is installed. Turned out pretty nice, I think. This is all of our secondary cleaning equipment. We're going to start with probably the most used, which are stylus brushes, a dry brush, Kermis wet brush, Last stylus cleaner, and a DS Audio. Then we'll move to basic cleaning stuff. We've got obviously a Giotto blaster and a carbon fiber brush, in this case Kermis. Then we'll go to the static issues with the ubiquitous Zero Stat. And one product I particularly like for that purpose is Last's all-purpose cleaner. That works real nicely for static issues. And then lastly, we've got a bottle of Kermis, the compound, that we would just lightly put onto the goat hair brush and use that to remove any static and to render the charge neutral. Should we play a 45 or a set?
Yeah, that's nice.
I realize I can't always make it about the channel. I do have to let him go to work sometime, so I'm just going to finish up here. At the top we've got the MoFis, the Super Deep Cleaner, Record Rinse, Record Wash, a number of AIVS products. The Super Archivist we have not featured yet, nor the number 6, but we will be doing that. Enzymatic formula, we use that frequently, certainly for any organic materials. Number 15, frequently used as well. Super cleaner formula. L'Arc du Sang, the batch already mixed up and ready to go. All of our VPI ones, and then the bat disc doctor. We've got Prelude, Last RCM fluid, and Ultra Pure Waters. We're ready. And on this side, well, it does look like a good add to the room. Well, those tiny shelves are quite helpful. Let's see how we did on the organization. Okay, we've got some Phoenix CD cleaner, some Flitz polish, if you ever want to polish the pins on your plugs. Lots of Last products. Got the record cleaner, the preservative, the power cleaner. L'Arc du Sang, we use that quite a lot. Some pure water, VPI solution, Disc Doctor. Todd the Vinyl Junkie, we will be doing an episode on that. Kermis with their brushes and solutions. Microfiber cloth, those are important to have. Pure Waters, distilled water, L'Arc du Son, all in spray bottles ready for our lure craft. That's our Lazy Susan for our Kermis, and I believe our upside down cup for cleaning brushes. Turgiclean, rubbing alcohol. We cleaned off some paint of a record recently using that. Some Prelude, Spin Clean, and Phoenix Enzyme Cleaner. See you next week, fellas.